Imagine being able to generate money just by reading words on the internet. In this video, I'll demonstrate and teach to you how to make $300 to $1,500 per hour online simply by reading words. To begin with, today's methods are fully free and effective around the world. Second, you'll discover all you need to know to get started on the process, including all of the essential information and a step-by-step plan that will allow you to start earning right immediately after seeing this video. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. Now, before I show you the step-by-step approach, I want you to look at this since it will demonstrate how much money you can make simply by reading. I'm extremely delighted since this possibility will allow you to earn a lot of money just by reading. I'll teach you how to do it, and you won't need any prior experience, technical expertise, or qualifications to do so. Consider this, $1,000 for 30 minutes or up to 45 minutes. And if we will compute how to make $1,000 on the least repair, we'll need an hour and 45 minutes on the upper end. So if we split $1,000 by 4 to 5 minutes, we'll be able to earn $22 every minute for an hour or $1,000. Strive to work for 1 hour and earn $1,500. What kind of effect may it have on your life? What would you do if you had that much money? It's a substantial sum of money and I'll teach you how to make it. However, you must watch the full video because I'll teach you a few strategies for joining, being accepted, and making more money in the shortest period of time possible. This is crucial and I urge you to pay attention since many people get it wrong. As a result, they are unable to earn money. That is something I do not want to happen to you. To begin, I'd like you to go to voices.com, where you can see that they've been featured on Shopify, Microsoft, Hulu, GoDaddy, Discovery Channel, Cisco, and the Los Angeles Times. When you get on this page, you'll realize that there are a lot of large brands and corporations that are absolutely authentic and will pay out users on a daily basis. All payments will be made using PayPal, and you will get a direct deposit into your bank account. As a result, there are countless opportunities and it works in various nations. These websites will essentially offer you a variety of opportunities from various categories. And I'll show you which ones are the most profitable. You may also pick from a variety of tasks, which I'll demonstrate. They'll provide you with the scripts, templates, books, and all of the words you'll read word for word once you've picked your desired project. You'll be required to record your voice, and you'll be paid according to the length of the project. It doesn't matter if you do it for 20 minutes or an hour. The employment on these sites is never ending. There are several websites where you may engage in some chumps. However, they aren't always constant, so you might not be. How will I talk if I don't have a microphone? This was the second question I received after reading because all you need is a normal earphone. And you can use your iPhone, Android phone, or record using your voice by speaking on your phone. And you don't have to reveal your face or identify. They want individuals like you and me to read out clearly all of these words and parts. There's no need for us to write anything at all. All that's left for you to do now is read the books and script. Let's return to the website where I'll demonstrate how to register, be accepted, and validate. If you are enjoying the video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you're from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. After watching this video, you'll know how to choose the best projects that will pay you the most money, as well as how to apply for work and be paid promptly. So first and foremost, hover your mouse over the sign up symbol in the website's top right-hand corner. When you click on it, two options will display. We're going to find employment as a talent rather than hire talent for your projects in this scenario. So we'll choose the second option and provide our name, email address, phone number, and username. You may add whatever you wish to this box. All you have to do is agree to the terms and conditions and click the continue button, or you can use your Google account, which will show you a list of available jobs if you create a free account. After checking in, you may access, among other things, e-learning explainer videos, cartoons, audiobooks, digital advertising, and video games. There are various options to choose from. So right now, I'll show you which categories have the most tasks, which are wonderfully suited for any beginner who are working in countries like the United States, India, Nigeria, and the Philippines. This initiative attracts individuals from all around the world. The category of audiobooks should be your primary pick. In the second category, explanation videos will pay you the highest money. In the third category, video games will pay you the third most money. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. So for example, we'll go with audiobooks, which will take you to a new page at voices.com, where you can see some instances of individuals making money online from all around the world. Right now, they're both men and women from various nations. The linguistic distinction may be seen, so they have work for you no matter where you are. There are a lot of opportunities in English, Africa, and South Africa, among other languages. You may begin reading online at voices.com by reading scripts and earning money according to the number of hours you work. If you want to make more money, look for work that lasts at least 45 minutes so that you may get paid $1,000 for each project you finish. So after you've joined, you'll notice that there is a variety of employment to choose from, as you can see above. So let me scroll down. They'll keep updating this website every day, so you can log in and see which ones you prefer. As previously said, audiobooks are the most popular category on voices.com. You'll be provided all of the scripts and templates once you finish reading those books. Now all you have to do is read them while voice recording yourself on your phone, and you'll be rewarded $1,000. They'll tell you who the customer is, their age, whether they're male or female, and some of the tasks you'll be doing. They'll send you a free script, and all you have to do now is read it. If you like, you may record your voice and read them aloud. That is how it manages to make everything so simple. Both the Google Play and Apple App Stores include versions of this program. The website voices.com is a great place to start. This is how the logo should appear. You may get it for free and start working on it immediately. As you can see, they'll present you with the customer agreements as well as some of the projects from which you may choose from. Before we wrap up this video, let's go through some of the frequently asked questions on the website of The Voice. What type of voice work can I perform as a freelancer? You can do any task that falls under the categories of voiceover, audio production, music, or translation. Some services may have more job openings than others, but job postings will continue to grow over time. How can I get employed as a voiceover freelancer? The first step is to create an account by signing up for free. You next establish your profile, which includes adding related services or abilities, as well as uploading demonstrations and portfolio examples. This will allow you to be found in search by customers and privately invited to jobs. However, a premium membership is necessary to have work possibilities matched to your profile. Can you tell me how much money you can make as a freelancer? The amount of money you can make is limitless. It depends on how much time you have available, the abilities you have to give, and the kind of projects you can handle. How much time do I have to devote? You are free to spend as much or as little time as you choose. Some individuals work full-time or more, while others use voices as a side hustle or something they do part-time. It's entirely up to you. However, bear in mind that like with other things, you harvest what you plant. How do I get paid? Is the final question. When a customer employs you, they pay you via Voices. With our SurePay payment protection service, Voices retain that payment while you work. When you've finished the project, they'll give that payment to you. Payments are sent out every Friday and you may choose to receive them by PayPal or check. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!